So I want to ask you a question today. The recent video Canadian Prepper put out, he kind of in a back doorway mentioned Taiwan and the likelihood that the Chinese would kick off an invasion of Taiwan if the war in Ukraine occurred, which is a high probability event. But the question I want to ask you is, where are you going to get all your tools from? Because one thing people don't understand is Taiwan makes a huge amount of stuff. And when you look at tools, whether they're hand tools, power tools, or industrial tools, most of the high precision tools that support small and large businesses and corporations come from Taiwan. The lower quality ones come from China. So any conflict with China and Taiwan would pretty much cut off the worldwide supply of all types of tools. Talk to you on the next video.